Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Mates, where learning English is fun and simple. I'm Clara.
Hello, Clara, and hi to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be with you again.
It really is. I'm feeling very energetic today, Arthur. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm a bit excited because I bought a newspaper this morning.
A newspaper? That's very classic, Arthur. I usually check the news on my phone.
I know. I'm a bit old-fashioned. I love holding the paper and reading the news with my coffee.
That sounds relaxing. And actually, reading the news fits perfectly with today's topic.
Oh, really? What are we discussing today, Clara?
Today, we'll learn how to talk about the news in English.
News! That's a big topic. Sometimes I find it hard to talk about news in English.
It can be tricky. News often has long sentences and difficult words. Sometimes I watch TV news and they speak so fast, I get lost.
Don't worry, Clara. That's normal. But today we have a simple trick to make it easier.
A trick? I love tricks. Tell me more.
We're going to use a simple formula. It will help you understand the news and share stories with friends.
That sounds perfect. I want to tell my friends about interesting news.
You will. But first, we have an important request for our listeners.
Yes. If you enjoy our lessons and want to learn more, please subscribe to English Mate.
And give this episode a like. It really helps us reach more learners like you and share it with friends. Learning together is always better.
Exactly. Arthur, are you ready to be a news reporter?
I'm ready. Where do we start?
We start with the 5 W's.
The 5 W's? That sounds like a band.
Not a band. The 5 W's are 5 questions, and they all start with W.
5 questions. What's the first W?
The first W is what?
What?
Yes, what happened?
Okay, what happened? That's the most important part, right?
Exactly. For example, a new park opened.
A new park opened. That's the what? Simple.
Now the second W is where.
Where, that means the place.
Correct. Where did it happen? New York, London, or small village?
Okay, a new park opened in the city center.
Perfect. You have the what and the where. The third W is when.
When, that's the time.
Yes. When did it happen? Yesterday, last week, or Sunday morning?
Okay, a new park opened in the city center last Saturday.
Great. Now, the fourth W is who.
Who? The people involved?
Yes. Who was involved? A famous person, the mayor, or just regular citizens?
Maybe the mayor?
Good. So, the mayor opened a new park in the city center last Saturday.
Wow, that sounds like a real news story.
And the last W is why.
Why? The reason?
Yes. Why did it happen? Maybe because children needed a place to play.
Excellent. So, putting it together, the mayor opened a new park in the city center last Saturday because children need a place to play.
Perfect, Arthur.
Thanks. I feel smart using all 5 W's.
You did. There's one small extra thing. Not a W, but important.
What is it?
It's what it means.
What it means? Like good or bad?
Exactly. Or how it affects people. For the park, it means families can have fun outdoors.
I see. It connects the story to real life.
Right. Answer these questions when you talk about news with friends.
This structure stops me from getting confused.
Yes, and news is great for learning English.
Because of vocabulary?
Yes, news covers sports, weather, business, culture, and more.
Sports news teaches words like match, score, winner.
Exactly. Weather news teaches storm, sunny, temperature.
But sometimes the words are very formal.
True. Start with the headlines first.
The big text at the top?
Yes. Headlines usually tell you the what quickly.
That's useful. Sometimes I just read headlines to get the idea.
That's fine. You don't need to know every word.
I always try to translate everything, but it takes too long.
Don't do that. Focus on the 5 W's.
Okay. What, where, when, who, why. Ignore hard words.
Yes, and pictures help too.
I love pictures. They help me guess the story.
Right. A fire truck means a fire, or a cat in a tree.
Oh, let's practice.
Sure. I'll give a funny news headline. Use the 5 W's to tell the story.
Okay, challenge accepted. What's the headline?
Surfing dog wins big prize in California.
A surfing dog? Really?
Yes, it's real. Start with what?
Okay. A dog surfed on water.
Good. And where?
California.
When?
Yesterday afternoon, maybe.
Perfect. Who?
The dog. Let's call him Max.
Nice. And why?
To win a big prize.
Great. Tell the full story.
Yesterday afternoon in California, Max the dog surfed to win a big prize.
Amazing. You can also add what it means.
Max is talented.
This method makes news conversations easy.
I like it. I'll start with funny news, less stressful.
Good idea. Start with topics you enjoy. Do you like sports?
Yes, football.
Then read football news. You know the rules, so English is easier.
Makes sense. Context helps.
And ask questions.
Like,
Say, did you hear about the surfing dog? Or, I read an interesting story today.
got it. And ask about details. What happened, who won, why.
Use the 5 W's for questions too.
This is very helpful. I feel more confident.
Happy to hear that, Arthur. News connects us all.
Tomorrow, coffee, my newspaper, and my 5 W's notebook.
Perfect morning.
Time flies. Before we go, listeners, a little homework.
Yes. Find a small news story today. Could be anything. Movies, sports, weather.
Comment below. Write 1 or 2 sentences. What happened and where.
We're excited to read your news reports.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson and share with friends.
Thanks for listening today, Arthur.
Keep practicing, keep reading, and keep talking.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.